Hey everybody, Anthony here with Lennox, back with another S40 video for you. Today, what we're gonna look at is a really quick tip on our S40 Smart Thermostat, and what we're gonna look at is how to reset one of these back to factory default. You may have a situation where perhaps you've programmed it wrong, you're not sure how to get it back to basic, so performing a factory reset will get you back to the out-of-the-box state for that thermostat, and you can then tailor it more to the job that you have. So to do a reset, you're simply gonna come up to the Lennox logo and you're gonna press and hold for about 5 seconds. This will take you to our dealer service center. Now, once you're within our dealer service center, to get to the reset menu, you're simply gonna select equipment settings to enter the equipment menu. Once in the equipment menu, you can see on the left-hand side, we've listed all of our communicating equipment, non-communicating equipment, and at the very bottom left, right here, we have the option to do a reset. So to do a factory reset, we're gonna select reset on the bottom left. This brings up our reset menu on the right-hand side, and here we have 4 different options. We have restart, reconfigure, reset HVAC equipment, and factory reset thermostat. From this screen, to get this thermostat back to its out-of-the-box condition, you would simply select the bottom option to factory reset the thermostat. It's gonna give you a warning, and it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to reset the thermostat to its factory state? Your options here would be to say cancel or yes. We're gonna say yes. And it's that easy. The thermostat will now go through its boot up sequence again. You'll see all of your starting screens and all of your initial commissioning screens. And once it powers back up, this will be back to its out-of-the-box state.